guys, it's 11:46 p.m. It's 11:46 p.m. and today it's January 15. I can't sleep because I'm hungry. So come with me. Make some foodie. I have here frozen crab sticks. So I have here my green tea. Biniro ko pa siya. It's maligam-gam na. Kasi kanina pa ito.
The kind a girl can tie down.
Dito. Ayan, strips ko lang siya. And then I'm gonna put sandwich spread, milk, and then kung ano pang mahanap ko. So I'll put salt and pepper and everything.
Faster than sound. Sign the autographs and I'll wait around. 'Cause you're
Tastes good.
not the kind a cowgirl can tie down. I can't change.
So I have assignments and it's already 12:04. So since hindi naman early yung pasok ko tomorrow, I'll finish it na lang. Yo guys, so I just want to share my current favorite playlist or like mga pinapakinggan ko recently. Si Jess Gallagher. Ayun yung ginamit ko din siya sa last vlog ko, which I got copyrighted. Kasi I just love his music. Or very, ito siya, pakinggan nyo. It's just so calming. And, ayun, I just want to share, guys. Jess Gallagher.
Create the sun in the hills, in the moon,
Somebody's not giving him anything. He wants me to fix it.
on the ocean,
Trying to get her to
by the shore, in the
Hey guys, today it's January 17 and it's a Friday. It's already 12 p.m. And I just want to share with you guys na sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. Simula kanina pagkagising ko ng maaga sa tulog din kasi ako ulit. Tapos nagising ulit, tapos natulog ulit. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. As in. Hey guys! So today, it's January 17. Actually, nag-take na ako ng clip kanina, but it's already 10:43 p.m. And ngayon lang ako nakagain ng energy. Kasi as I was saying kanina, so, ba't ba ako nasa gilid? Kinatakpan ka kasi yung kalat ko dito. But, anyways, as I was saying, ngayon lang ako nakapag-gain ng energy kasi kanina sobrang sakit ng ulo ko. As in, sobrang sakit. Tapos yun, nakatulog na ako and I feel good. So ngayon, I'll share you guys yung mga makeup products. I'm so sorry talaga, magulo pa rin siya hanggang ngayon. Kahit from the last vlog, magulo siya. Up until now, magulo pa rin siya. Anyways, ayun, gusto ko lang i-share. This is my makeup pouch na lagi ko nilalala sa school. And actually, ito lang din yung makeup ko. Tapos last week, nag-start ako magtapon ng mga makeup. Kasi nga, hindi na ako nagma-makeup ng heavy makeup. So, ngayon, I'm keeping my face clear and I'm making sure na yung mga ginagamit kong makeup is acne safe or mag-work sa skin type ko. So, ito, I don't know, but I make sure kasi na it's acne free. And ito yung nag-work sa akin. Tsaka yung isa pa, yung Pretty Secret. And maganda yung coverage na. Ito naman very light lang since it's just a powder. Loose powder. So, ito yung ginagamit ko from YOU. Like, everyday, ito lang yung makeup base ko. Wala na akong foundation and stuff. And eto, hindi ako sure sa Happy Pot ng Squad Cosmetics if it's acne free. But based naman sa mga ingredients na nandito is safe siya and hindi ako nag-breakout sa makeup product na to. Ito lang yung ginagamit ko for blush on. Yung gamit na gamit siya. And ginagamit ko rin siya for my lips. Kasi ang ganda ng... Ayan, ganyan siya sa akin. And I like it. Medyo orange siya ngayon, pero it's not orange. Ang shade pala nato is Top Notch. Ayan. So, for my contour, no, nag-nose contour kasi ako and eyebrows and for my lower lid sa eye is nagka-ano ko, liner. Pero, I'm not using a eyeliner talaga. I'm using a powder. So, ito, bigay ito sa akin ng boyfriend ko. And it's Daisy. I'm not familiar with the brand. It's good that hindi ako nagbe-breakout dito sa palette na to. So, that's why I love it. Ayan, nasira na nga siya. Ayan. Kasi, araw-araw ko siya gamit. And I also avoid products na glittery. Ewan ko, hindi rin ako highlighter person. Kasi nga, ayoko nung glitter. So, kung mag-highlight man ako, I want to find highlighter na hindi siya glittery. Nag-spray ako dun sa brush ko ng itong Get Grip ng Dazzle Me. Get a Grip setting spray. Ayun, that's my makeup routine. Ito lang yung mga products na araw-araw kong ginagamit na I'm glad is hindi ako nagbe-breakout. Ayan, and hindi rin siya cakey sa mukha ko and stuff. Kasi natakot na ako sa foundation na cakey sobra tapos grabe pa yung chemicals and wala akong primer, walang barrier yung skin ko from that ingredient ko. Ano man yung ingredient ng makeup product na yun. Hey guys! So, I just got home. Today is January 18 and it's a Saturday. It's already 5:56 p.m. Still, I'm so sorry for my messy room. So now, kakauwi ko lang galing grocery. Every once a week is nag-grocery ako kasi lagi na ako nagbabaon sa school. Nakwento ko siya sa last vlog ko. So, I'll share you guys kung ano yung mga essentials ko kapag nag-grocery or yung lagi kong binibili. So, let's start with chicken breast. So, di ko na siya ilalabas kasi it's frozen and it's wet. So, bumibili lang ako like for a week ng 1 or 2 chicken breast and then ako na yung nagka-cut. Hindi pa siya naka-fillet and ako na yung nagka-cut para according to my likings yung slices na gusto ko. Next is I have here cabbage. I have the small one. And itong malaki. Wala lang, for emergency lang to kapag naubos ko to kaagad. And then, my favorite potatoes. Ayan, bumili ako ng 2 plastic din ng potatoes. Merong itong sobrang liliit na potato marble. And ito namang medyo malaki na potato marble. Bumili lang ako ng mini carrots. Since ginagamit ko to with cabbage, yung pinipil ko sila. And ayun yung nagiging parang rice ko kapag ang ulam ko. Actually, sa isang buong linggo, ang pack lunch ko is chicken breast and then my vegetables which is yung carrots and then cabbage. Or kung hindi naman carrots, kasi maliliit lang yung binibili kong carrots, I pair the cabbage with cucumber. Ayan, sobrang love ko rin ng cucumber and naglalagay ako ng cucumber sa water ko. And sometimes sa tea, hinahalo ko siya sa tea kapag sobra akong bloated para mag-de-bloat. Ayan. I bought itong nakapak na Jolly Mushroom, yung pieces and stems na. Ginagamit ko rin to, panghalo rin along with the cabbage and carrots. Bumili rin ako ng oyster sauce para may lasa yung chicken breast ko or kapag gusto ko ng may flavor yung food ko. And bumili ako ngayon ng cinnamon powder. Hindi pa ako sure kung saan ko siya gagamitin. Pero I love buying yung mga ganito na powder sa Robinson. Since Robinson Supermarket is yung nearest grocery dito sa amin. So, next is ito. Um, ito yung mga panghimagas. Tama ba? Pero ito, bumili ako ng dalawang Greek yogurt. Panghalo ko sa oats ko. And every morning, ang breakfast ko is oats. Kasi may time talaga na nahihirapan ako mag-digest. So, ang go-to, ko is mga yogurt, oats, high in fibers, na ano. And I also have here itong non-fat naman, na strawberry flavor. Ang sarap nito. Kumakain ako nito, minsan, post-run ko, like after ko tumakbo, after ko mag-jogging. Ang dami kong yogurt. I have here ito, mga yogurt stick. I mean, basta ang sarap ginagawa ko dito is ito yung Kimori. Kimori, tama ba? Strawberry yogurt. Ayan. Ang ginagawa ko is nilalagay ko sila sa freezer para kapag matigas na sila, para ko silang ice cream. And kinakain ko to pang himagas. And ito, dito pwedeng mawala. Lagi akong may ganito sa bag. Like recently, bibig ko. And last is, actually last week pa to, pero idadamay ko na lang rin. Favorite snack ko is, what do you call this one? Jelly Ace. Ayun. Kapag gusto ko ng something sweet talaga, Jelly Ace, yung kinakain ko. Para controlled and balanced lang. For my diet. And then, ito. Kapag sobrang kailangan ko ng maalat or like, ayoko na magluto and stuff. Ito yung pods, vegetarian tea snack. Go to chichirya ko. Ito na lang yung pinaka-chichirya ko ngayon. Ayan, bumili lang ko ng 4 para lang reserve. So, that's all. Yeah. Every week ako nag-grocery para sa baon ko for the week. Ayan, kasi lagi na akong nagbabaon. So, for my pack lunch, bumibili talaga ako for the whole week. So, yeah, that's all.
Oh, God, this is so much. Ay! Yung bata!
Hey guys, good morning. So, it's currently 6:30 a.m. and it's January 21 and it's a Tuesday. So, kakagising ko lang and I have class ng 10 a.m. So, what I need to do now is to cook my food. I don't know if babaonin ko pa siya or baka dito ko na lang kainin if may time pa. And maligo and get ready. So, basically, I only have, kasi plano ko umalis ng 7:45. So, almost like 1 hour or more. Kasi 6:30. Siguro mga 7:40 ako aalis or what. Kasi pag gantong oras, kaya hindi ako gumising ng maaga. Kasi pag gantong oras is sobrang punuan pa sa LRT. Putla ko. Sobrang paus ko kasi sobrang sakit ng lalamunan ko. So, I'm drinking hot water. Sobrang sakit niya talaga, as in, may sipon pa ako. Hey guys, so ito na yung nagawa ko na food. It's basically just chicken sandwich, but instead of bread, I use cabbage. So, meron ding potato marbles.
Pretending to sleep.
messy to eat. Pero super bilis yung nagawin. I just marinated the chicken and fry it with butter. Pero naglagay din ako ng konting oil para hindi agad masunog yung butter. Sobrang messy nga lang. Hey guys, so it's 7:40 a.m. Hindi ko alam kung makakaalis ako ng 8, pero ang kailangan ko na lang naman gawin now is makeup. Ito pala yung suot ko today. Hindi ko alam kung tama ba to kasi sobrang kupas na itong Converse top na to. And then just a black pants and then my Converse. Naka-Converse din ako na shoes. So, nagmo-moisturizer muna ako. Hindi na ako magsasalita kasi late na ako eh. Malilate na ako.
It's getting hard to leave your apartment. The light goes too often and your power's down. It's getting dark and warmth isn't promised, but I'll like you longest when love's not around. I'm gonna come over.
Hey guys, tonight, it's January 23 and it's already 11:46 p.m. So, I forced myself to get up kasi almost 2 hours na akong nakahiga. And just an update, tomorrow I have to go sa school sa Intramuros because my concert and meron kaming grade incentives pag pumunta kami. Pero I really want to go kasi it's Ellie Buendia. Siya yung talagang pinunta ko doon. Pero yung other bands, actually, solo lang naman si Ellie Buendia. And may dalawa pang band na pupunta, which is Lola Amor and Lola Amor. And I belong to the zoo. Wala naman ako masyadong alam na kanta nila. But yun, yung thoughts ko ngayon is, kaya ako nag-video kasi gusto kong i-share na kinakabahan ako for tomorrow. I don't know kasi wala akong pasok today and kahapon nagpunta rin ako dun sa Intramuros kasi nga may event. So it's a whole week event. And then I don't felt that good nung pumunta ako ng isang araw since I'm alone. But I'm with someone. Actually, I'm with someone pero wala, feeling ko alone lang din ako kasi iniwan niya lang din ako. Pero I'm not mad. I know may work naman siya. Pero anyways, ayun, kinakabahan ako for tomorrow. But, ayun, nag-prep ako. Nilaban ko yung favorite ko na black pants. Hindi ko pa alam yung susuotin ko. Pero kinakabahan ako siguro makipag-socialize. There's this feeling na bigla akong kinakabahan na parang, ano ba, pupunta ba ako? So, let's see. Marami akong dapat na ginagawa ngayon, pero nahiga lang ako for 2 hours. So, I'll try. Pa yan? Kumuha ako ng frozen yogurt. Nung pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga yogurt na ganito, yung iba is ginagawa ko siyang, hinahalo ko sa oats, pero yung iba is ginagawa kong ice candy. So, it's like a treat. I have chika. Kailan ba yun? Nagpa-dentist ako. May pinapasta ako kasi masira yung ngipin ko. And then, ato nagulat ako kasi all this time, sobrang gandang-ganda ako sa ngipin ko. I thought it's perfect, but it's not. Nagulat ako na sinabi nung dentist na parang yung dito ko sa baba is sobrang crowded daw ng ngipin. Ayan. Hindi ko siya pinapansin kasi every time naman na ngumingiti ako is it's perfect for me. Pero nung sinabi niya sa akin na kailangan siya ipa-brace, like, girl braces. I actually kinda want braces. Kasi nung high school ako, nag-retainers ako. Like, wala lang, ang ganda lang nung high school ako. Ganun yung mga trip ko na high school ako. Pero, there's this part of me na sobrang love na love ko na yung teeth ko after nung retainer era ko. High school era ko na naka-retainer. Tapos nung sinabi niya na kailangan daw ipa-braces yun sa baba kasi sobrang crowded, nag-uunahan daw. And, deep bite daw ako. So, hindi pala ito yung perfect smile. Like, all this time, akala ko perfect na yung ngipin ko. Pero, dahil akala ko na perfect siya kasi pag nag-smile ako, yung upper teeth lang yung nakikita ko. Pero yun pala, it's a deep bite, kaya hindi nakikita yung lower teeth ko kasi sobra yung bite. Kaya din siguro, medyo, ganun ako. Ganyan. But yun, I'll consider it, yung braces. Maybe sometime.
It's on, but I was a fool to believe my heart forgets. Oh, what forgets? Oh, what will I do now? With all this time.
Hey guys! So, guess what? Hindi ako tumaloy dun sa concert for some reason. And it makes me sad. Kinda. Anyways, I just got home from a jog. It's already 7:22 p.m. Sobrang miss ko na yung boyfriend ko. So, ngayon, I think I'll end the vlog here. Ayun. Anyways, ayun, naka 8 km and 10k steps more than, more than 10k steps. And I'm having saging na saba and protein. This is whey protein. Na-try ko na ibang flavor na ito. Sarap. Ayan, I'm having chocolate flavor. So, that's all for this vlog. And, yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If nakaabot ka dito. Bye, guys!